Okay, this is the third part. As you can see, now the Thunderbird is stripped, the back part is stripped, and the situation is as follows. This is not so good. Also here, this part is gone. The middle part behind the bumper looks not so bad, and the rear bumper, I will need not only the bumper but also the metal bar which is supporting the bumper. Let's see. This is really trash. Moreover, this metal bar, which looks solid, it is a little bit damaged here. I believe while unloading the car in the port in Germany, they used the forklift to unload, and they hit the back, and this is what's happened. So I need the whole bar with the bumper, with the chrome part. Okay guys, yeah, as you can see, this is the bucket full of rust. We will be in touch and we will discuss now which parts and how I will have to buy. Thanks.